Welcome everybody to our iMRS Prime How-To video series. Installation and activation. Before you start up your iMRS Prime control panel, make sure that every component which has been delivered with your iMRS Prime system is properly connected. This includes the connector box, obviously the power, the applicators, and also the additional options, which might be Hexagon Sense or Hexagon Brain. Once all components are properly connected, the system can be powered up by pressing the button at the right side of your control panel and just tapping on it for 2 seconds. The iMRS Prime is now booting up. Once the booting process is completed, the iMRS Prime will show you the start screen with the contraindications. Confirm the contraindications by tapping on the start button.